All right, guys, here we go. This is 3043, 3043 TriStar Auto Mini Helmet. Good luck. We got Loose with 4, Papa Prather with 4, Steeler Main with 4, Warren 1, Jeff 2, Brandon with, what'd you get there, 11, John with 6. Very cool, very cool. All right, 5 times for the 5 times. Here we go. All right, once, twice, 3 times, 4 times, 5 times. All right, John Dunlap, you're on top. John Dunlap on the bottom. 5 times for the 5 times. All right, guys, there you are. I'm gonna group you guys alphabetically. Hey, you're welcome, Brian. Nice head, man. Papa Prather, Ravens, Browns, Jets, Niners. That's a nice card, man. Right? Yep, from Spectra. Super nice. Brandon, Falcons, Bills, Packers, Jags, Chiefs, Rams, Raiders, Eagles, Steelers, Seahawks, Bucks. Warren, Patriots. Jeff, Cowboys, Saints. John Dunlap, Cardinals, Bears, Dolphins, Vikings, Chargers, Skins. Loosey Goosey, Panthers, Broncos, Colts, Titans. Steeler Man, Bengals, Lions, Texans, Giants. Hey Craig, what's your eBay name? Maybe you were in the Gold Rush one. No, there was 12 spots, so this would have been. These are all the spots in this one. Craig bought me. Craig, I think you know what? I think you bought into the auction one, didn't you? I saw your name for something. Oh, Craig, you bought into. Craig, you bought into the one last night for the Chiefs. For the Chiefs, you bought the Chiefs into a. Craig, if you go on my YouTube page, there's a playlist. Go to yesterday, you'll see it's the first one. Cowboys. Jeff's got the boys. Kaufman's got. I'll group them back together for you. Brandon's got the Falcons, Bills, Packers, Jags, Chiefs, Rams, Raiders, Eagles, Steelers, Seahawks, Bucks. All right, boys, we're good to go. And Susan. Susan, thanks for the like. All right, guys, here we go. Tristar Mini. Here we go. Here we go. No way. Troy Aikman autograph goal line card. Wow. No way. It's our first one we ever hit. That's awesome. Guys, we hit a goal line art card. We hit a bonus. No way. For the Cowboys. Wow. Huh. That's our first thing. About all the mini helmets we've done, we finally pulled one of these things. Oh, wow. Awesome. Oh, a nice helmet, too. Last but not least, guys, that was the last one I had. That's awesome. We've never pulled one of those before. And a Ricky Williams. Ricky Williams from Miami. Heisman Trophy winner, University of Texas, held a career rushing yardage, touchdowns, and scoring records. Number 5th overall, 1999, led the NFL rushing with 1,800 yards with the Dolphins. Dude, I'm pumped. Listen, goal line art card. I don't know what that is, but it's autographed by Troy Aikman. All right, Lance. They're random teams. They're all random, and whenever it fills up, so it might be a little later. But wow, nice, Troy Aikman. That's awesome. Jeff, who won this? Brandon. Brandon, you gotta do me a favor, man, if you can. Whenever you get that in the mail, if you can send us a picture, I'll post it on the Facebook, man. I'm gonna Google it. I'm not really sure exactly what that is. Goal line art card. I'm about to Google it. Alright, I'm gonna look these up real quick and then we're gonna Google that. Alright, Miami Dolphins is John Dunlap. John Dunlap, you got the mini helmet there. Very nice, Ricky Williams. Dallas is Seahawks. Brandon. Alright, Brandon, you got the Troy Aikman art card. Alright, 5 times, ram.org. Whoever's on top, free spot into the bonus break. Alright, once. Oh, sweet, man. That's right. You just joined a couple days ago. That's right. Yeah, man, for sure. Please post a picture of that. 4 times and 5 times. And Steeler Maine. And Brandon. Each getting a spot. Brandon bought 10 or more. Got himself a nice Troy Aikman thing. I'm going to Google that right now. And that is 3043 Tristar Mini. 3043. I pulled one of the Babe Ruth tickets for the baseball last year. I can't remember who pulled it out. I'd have to look it up. If you search Babe Ruth on my YouTube, you'll see who won it. But that's pretty cool. All right, let's look this up real quick. All right, Troy Aikman, auto, goal line, card. Oh, that's pretty cool. How big is it? 8 by 10? Well, that's pretty neat, man. You have to get a nice little frame for it, or get it slabbed or something. Cool. Alright, guys, that'll do for the Tristar Mini. Craig, you were in this break right here. Let me show you something. You had the Chiefs. You should have had the Chiefs. I'm pretty sure this is you. If not, that would be yours. You bought them in no inscription, John. Usually it says smoke weed every day. Those are kind of rare. Hold on, Craig. I'll look it up. One sec. All right, guys. Every night, 9 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. A very nice Ricky Williams song. All right, guys. Appreciate it. Nice Troy Aikman as well. Check us out on Facebook and Instagram. Appreciate it.